Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be reviewing and unboxing the new product of Earbuds TWS-E9 earbuds. Welcome back. First of all, this is a mono earbud TWS, which means it comes just with one earbud. There are other products which have pair of earbuds. It's perfect for sports, running or jogging or hiking. Also it is perfect for drivers, but we do not recommend using it for listening to music or watching videos, etc. So as we said, this comes with one single earbud, which is right, and with you can choose your color, which is, here we have the blue. And let's have an overview of the different features of this earbud or earphone has got. First, it runs on a frequency of 20 to 20,000 Hertz, and the connection range is up to 10 meters, and you must a voltage of 5 volts with an amperage of 1 ampere. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, and it is also waterproof, HD stereo sound, and what is incredible is the standby time, which is up to 100 hours of standby time for this earphone. For talking time, it will last between 3 to 4 hours, and if you are playing music, it may last also to 3 or 4 hours. It's easy to put into your ear and comfortable. Also, it has the feature of auto pairing to connect your device easily. Let's unbox it. So this is what you find into the box, the guide booklet or the help booklet. You can read it to get more information and details, and also if you face any problems you can refer to it later. Great. It's also in English. You can also download it using the QR code. Good. Next we have the USB cable for charger. It comes with a micro USB charger. It will be using to charge our set. Good. And at last we have the set, which is light and easy to carry from anywhere. At the back we have the micro USB charger, and we have the LED indicator. And here is our earphone. It just starts by touching. Very nice looking, and the package is really easy to use. And as you can see here, the LED light is flashing, indicate that it is on. So the package also serves as a charger. When you put it in, it will be charged automatically if it is connected via USB. So just start it with pressing the top in here, and flashing starts means now you can start pairing your device or your mobile phone or any other device. So in order to charge your earphone, you just plug in the micro USB into your computer or any other charger. 5 volts, as we said, charge.
www.raqmedia.com.
Well done. So that was our TWS-E9 True Wireless Stereo Earphone. Hope that was helpful. The link to purchase this gadget will be below in the description section or into our website Raqmedia.com. Till next tutorial, this is your host Izzedine. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it
click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.